Welcome to Smart Finance with Yemi. Two people can have the same knowledge, the same skills, the same opportunities. Yet one turns thoughts into income quickly, while the other stays stuck thinking. The difference? Their income intelligence matrix. Today I unveil another brand new wealth framework. Fire the income intelligence matrix. This explains how your mind converts. White right pointing backhand index, ideas, actions, sales, wealth, medium, white star, section 1. What is the income intelligence matrix? The income intelligence matrix is the internal system that determines how fast you spot opportunities, how decisively you act, how clearly you price your value, how quickly money follows your focus. It operates as 4 thinking zones inside every person's mind. Medium white star, section 2. The 4 zones of the matrix. Black square button, zone 1. Information, thinking you love to learn, but rarely monetize knowledge. Most people stay here, consuming without executing. Result, knowledge rich, income poor. Black square button, zone 2. Action, thinking you execute quickly, but without strategy. You're always busy, but results stay small. Result, movement without traction. Black square button, zone 3. Value, thinking you begin focusing on skills, solutions, and market demand. Result, stable income. Black square button, zone 4. Leverage, thinking you build systems that monetize ideas repeatedly, courses, coaching programs, digital platforms, personal brand funnels. Results, scalable wealth. Medium white star, section 3. WHY, most people never cross zone 2 because crossmark, fear of selling value, crossmark, no pricing identity, crossmark, overthinking, crossmark, lack of packaging skills. They move, but don't monetize. Medium white star, section 4. How to upgrade your matrix, white heavy checkmark, upgrade to zone 3, focus on people's pain, market solutions, clear offer creation, confidence in charging value, white heavy checkmark, upgrade to zone 4, build systems, automation, remote leveraged audience monetization. Medium white star, section 5. Signs your matrix is expanding, ideas convert faster, you pursue opportunity instead of security, confidence in sales rises, income stabilizes and grows.